Hello, welcome to the International Kitchen Project.
Welcome, that's the International Kitchen.
Today we're going to be trying food from people who have cooked all over the world.
I only drank a cup of coffee this morning. I'm expecting potentially some sausage, maybe a potato. So let's see how it's gonna taste.
So I was looking forward to it.
Hi everyone, this is Gabriela and I'm supposed to try food from Imogen. She's from New Zealand, so let's see how it's gonna taste. I have actually no expectations. I haven't heard about any New Zealander food, so that's gonna be a huge surprise to me. It was very tempting to also now look up what is very traditional. So this is gonna be a huge surprise, and I'm very, very ready for it. No, I haven't, so that's why I'm also very excited to finally do that. Oh, this is really nice. What's the name?
It's called a mince and cheese savoury.
Ooh. Okay, so let's dig in. Right. That tastes really good. What's in it?
Mince and cheese, funnily enough.
That's it. So I assume from the name that it's minced meat and cheese. Tastes really, really nice. Like, I wasn't sure what to expect, but wouldn't expect something like this. And I'm really fond of sweet, salty pastry, so that's really, really yummy. Nice. It's just how little you need to make something so tasty.